Today is Friday, February 14th, 2025. Bitcoin block height 883,735. Transaction fees 2 sats per VByte, low, medium, and high priority. 5,300 unconfirmed transactions in the mempool. Bitcoin USD price 96,484. 24-hour high was 97,253. 24-hour low was 95,220. Go lower. I'm holding out a little bit here, hoping that this price goes down a little bit. Last time I did that, it wound up going up, so I got in about 98. So we'll see. Crab walking now, but I hope it goes a little lower. Can't be greedy, but sometimes I try to be. Bitcoin Spaces protocol. Spaces in auction QQDEEX. Claimable in about 4 hours and 50 minutes. Recent Spaces actions. We got a bunch of transfers here. Some Puni codes transferred away. Some bids, IQ, Sigma, and VW. And a couple more transfers, AU and EQ. Upcoming rollouts, GF. Furry, 8-bit, Puni codes, time, word, org, real, and last. Wow, I'm surprised org, .org, @org. I'm surprised top level domain org hasn't rolled out yet. It's probably been sitting back there, sitting in a recent spaces, 1,850 sats, but it's coming, maybe, unless it gets outbid. All right, the last rollouts were Genius Sarah, Puni code Mantra, Puni codes School and RNG, and Bible. What are other Puni codes? Some more bids and stuff. All right, thanks picking up. But the big news of the day, Spaces protocol released the marketplace, spaces.market. And we have some ways here you can buy and sell your top level spaces. So this is pretty cool. You have it up here, all listings, post a listing. So you have to use this JSON here. How to use. So I'll probably make a video here, how to use. You just have to type in this code, command line. And we have all the listings here. So I don't think it's going to see too much. I'll be surprised actually if we do see a sale. We might. If somebody posts something that, you know, they like, but really it's all the code bros. The code bros. Which, you know, I'm in on it. Surprisingly enough, it's basically all the people that were able to install spaces and are able, I was barely able, but are able to just use a command line. You know, I mean, that's kind of surprising for me to say, but hey, I did it. So it's pretty easy, actually. I mean, the hard part is getting started and doing it. And then once you do it, it's just the code. You know, it's like a language. You just remember the syntax. You got to remember stuff. And then you could, like, I have cheat sheets and stuff like this, the help command and stuff, all the commands, you know. But like I said, I'll be surprised if we see some sales here. Just because it's everybody that's bidding in the marketplace here, in the Explorer. So most likely people are just going to bid on names until the GUI wallet comes out. Until a wallet comes out that's just like Magic Eden. Like I said, you know, you go to Magic Eden here. And what do you do on Magic Eden? You connect wallet, right? You can make a wallet. They'll give you your 12 words. You could get an address. You click receive. You send Bitcoin to it. Then you could come up in here in any one of these little things, right? Let's say, well, we could just go here to like these domain names, these .btcs. And you just have all these for sale. All these .btcs here. Just like you would have here. These are spaces. You click on one and you buy. You click a button. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. You click a button. Button clickers, welcome. Right now in a Spaces protocol, button clickers are not welcome. So that's a problem. That's a big problem because everybody's a button clicker. You know, you're not going to get people in here running full nodes and setting up this stuff and running command line JSON queries or commands. Nah, no. I had to do it though. I had to do it. I was excited. I was like, yo, this might work. So I had to run up in here, set my thing up, and get it grooving. Happy I did. But most people ain't going to do that. Most people are going to want to click buttons. So you come in here, you connect your wallet, you create a wallet, you click buy, you fund it with some Bitcoin, you click buy. And then once that happens, oh my goodness. Once the GUI wallet comes out in the Spaces protocol, and look, you got all this Bitcoin going. It's like 5 Bitcoin here, 24 hours just slapping around. People just buying stupid pictures. You know, to each their own, really. But this is like a dying fad here where they're just trying to catch the tail end of like Ethereum. That caught lightning in a bottle when it was I don't even know what year it was, 23 maybe it was, 21, where the NFTs just went crazy and like everybody had a little cartoon character as an NFT. It was the CryptoPunks, started with the crypto. So this is like everything. This is like a bite. This is copying off CryptoPunks. Come on now. This is nonsense. You know what? It's like Pogs. This is like Pogs, dude. Pogs are cool and everything. Yo, they're cool. And you could look at it and be like, man, that's cool. I got a Pog. The artwork, man. The art. It's about the art. The artwork's cool. It's shiny. Glossy, shiny. You know, it's got reflectors on it. The slammers. You know, all the Pogs, if you're old enough to remember that. Or young enough. I guess you got to be right in that time frame. But Pogs, dude, that's what these ordinals NFTs, they're like Pogs. Where the value's just going to keep going down. They'll have their moment. They had their moment, and then they just go down. But anyway, we need the easy clickers, and then this thing's going to take off. So then more people are going to want to come in here and buy stuff. But we got some stuff here. We got Pump, Vote, Jesus, DA, Blur, NY, Queen, OK, BN, and 20. So it's good, though. It's good to see the development. So Marketplace, boom, it's out. Next step, GUI wallet. Get the normies. Get the normies in here, the people like me too. Shit, when a GUI wallet comes out, I might just switch to a GUI wallet. Can I do that? I don't know. It'll be a lot easier. I can use it on my other computer, you know? So I could use it on one computer that doesn't have the node or isn't running Spaces. And plus, I just want to try it too, maybe to see how it is. So GUI wallet will be a huge deal. And then some functionality. That's next as well, where we can actually use these names for our Nostr usernames. So that's going to be huge too. We use these for our Nostr usernames and any other peer-to-peer applications. Video game usernames, that's probably later on down the line. But if this is going to be your internet identity, where, you know, at Queen, right? This one actually is pretty good. Queen, right? A girl just straight up Queen would probably want that. Or maybe a zesty dude, you know? Hey, zesty dude might want that. And you're just at Queen everywhere you go, right? You're just at Queen. You're playing a video game. You're on your social media profiles, Nostr account, every website, right, is the same. You're just Queen. No one can take it from you. You can verify it yourself. And on top of that, you can accept payment to Queen. It's your Bitcoin address. So it's pretty damn cool. Very useful, these names. So we'll see what happens. Very excited for this. Marketplace and the GUI wallet should be awesome.